My name is Franco Lumini, Technical Corporate Manager at SACMI Packaging Chocolate. Energy efficiency is a key topic for our customers, both because they pay increasing attention to environmental protection and because chocolate production machines and operations consume a lot of energy. For two reasons: the high electrical power installed, and in addition, the process includes heating and cooling phases that consume a lot of energy. To improve energy efficiency, we are working in two directions. The first one is thermodynamics, with heating and cooling cycles, for which we are designing solutions to pump heat or regenerate thermal energy. As to energy efficiency, we are equipping our machines with high-efficiency motors, specifically synchronous reluctance motors with IE5 efficiency class. In collaboration with ABB, which has provided us with data from their test laboratory, we have estimated that the most energy-hungry machines, the conches you see behind me, featuring operating cycles with partial load or where the motor does not always run at full speed, the efficiency gap between an IE5 reluctance motor and a standard is significant, and the benefits are important. So far, the results we have achieved based on calculations in collaboration with ABB using their ACS 880 drives and IE5 reluctance motors indicate that you can save 4% of energy with a mid-sized conch. Considering 7,000 hours of operations annually, this means 22 tons of CO2 emission reduction. The collaboration with ABB will now continue with tests at their OEM hub in Italy to simulate our real conching cycle on their motors and drives. With this simulation, we will validate the calculations on which our estimates are based. SACMI Packaging Chocolate is ready to support customers with their sustainability challenges. In collaboration with ABB, we will actively promote energy efficiency programs, both for new plants and for the retrofitting and refurbishing of existing plants.